So I thought to get the cover off the car and have a look and see what else we can get on with. So I've dusted the cover off. I've got a bit of dust on the car, so we just need the car. Nice dust over. Get any dust off it. See, there was shiny once, but it's just dust. It'll clean off. So let's have a little clean up and then we can get on with doing some stuff. So I'm going to give the car a bit of a polish and wax just to give it a nice protection on there because it hasn't been done for a while. So this is my go-to stuff. Maguire's, always good stuff. Good bit of polish, good cleaning. Comes off easily. And then waxing, I love Dodo Juice wax. Fantastic stuff and it smells amazing. Now these little ones, only a couple of quid and they do last a long time. So I'll use that with a polish just because that's all I've got at the moment and that'll do. Easy handheld thing. Dodo Juice wax after. And this is the Tyre Mania, which I used for tyres, but it's also good for bumper trim. So that's what I'll be using. And then this one is Dodo Juiced clear methanol, which is glass cleaner, which also smells lovely. So currently that's my go-to stuff to get this car nice and shiny. And there we go. Nice bit of dust off and she's looking beautiful again. So plans to get on with, we have got a set of mats to go in there, which I got for Christmas and I haven't actually put them in yet. And just for interest, the car cover I've got is from Cover Zone, Sahara one, indoor car cover. That was a Christmas gift as well, so that's keeping the car nice and safe. It does look good. Just nice to look at, isn't it, really? Considering I've done that spray job in this garage. Not too bad. Right, let's get on. I'll show you the car mats we've got. So these are the mats we've got. We've got some Votex mats, and these are really good. Genuine OEM mats. That's the part numbers off them, if you would need them. So yeah, these are going to just finish it off. There's two lock bits to screw into the carpet, just to hold the driver's mat in. What I'll probably do is plop the other ones in quickly, and do that one last. Well, that's the mats in, mats installed. Nice and tidy done there. Still need a few bits I need to get done. There's lots of bits I need to get done. The other mat in there, it's very dirty and needs another clean over. But it's looking good. All a bit of dust that needs cleaning. So if you get these mats, you come with these, two of these for the driver's one. Literally follow the instructions, get a sharp screwdriver. You just want to punch a hole or poke a little hole just through the carpet and into the soft bit underneath. Don't go too far because you don't want to go through the floor. And then just put the screw in there and the screw just grips around the carpet. Goes tight enough to hold itself in there, you don't want to go mad. And then just clip the mat on there. And it holds them nice and straight. So what we've got here is a roof lining, and as you can see it's a bit of a mess because they are very old and they fall apart. So this was in 4 or 5 pieces. So what I've done, cleaned it up, wiped it off and used some instant adhesive just to paste over and glue the main bits together in one lump. And then this is simple PVA glue from Screwfix. Gunk it all over there, leave it for a little while to start tacking off, and then back to preschool, get loads of tissue paper, newspaper, whatever, get it all over there, back with the PVA glue, get that over, leave that to set for a couple of days. Back on the front side there's only a couple of little bits need a bit more glue, cleaned it off, again, big bit of PVA glue over there, and then we went back to preschool again, more paper. This was quite good A4 paper, nice and thick. So that soaked in and dried. And then what we had to do is put the material back on in one piece. All these pegs just holding the edge around to glue it. 2 aerosol cans just holding the 2 recesses. And then this was left to dry. and then this is the rest of it drying. Left that dry for a good 3-4 days, and then back in the car. Simple as that. So, thanks for watching today's episode. Car's looking a lot cleaner, which makes me much happier. Not much done, a few little bits, but any progress is good progress. So